Hi, I will show you how you clean the battery. First, you have to make sure you're using gloves for this. I have this battery cleaner from NOCO. You have to move it little, then spray here. Now we leave it to rest about 1 or 2 minutes. Then we clean it with paper towel. After about 5 minutes, now I have to grab this paper towel and clean it here. You see this color here, red color? Yes, it's because the reaction with the product, with the oxide was here. It gave this color. See? Make sure to clean this good. Take your time. The problem if you don't clean it and you say I will leave it like this, all the wires they will get like this oxide, and this can go till the alternator, and later you will have to change all the wires. So better to fix it now when it's little. And like I told you before, this battery protector is good to put it the first day you install the new battery. Now after I finishing cleaning the wires, see the difference now, they look clean. Now I will have this protector, step 2, move it little, then you have to spray it here in the here, see, all the metal area you have to cover it, and also this side to make sure you cover. And what you have to do now, to bring this plastic now, and this side go here, and you close it, and you leave it like this. You don't have to clean this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, like, subscribe and follow in okay, thank you for watching.